The existence of life depends on water in all its forms. The only planet with water and one that produces oxygen is Earth. A combination of oceans, soils, and ice caps covers the planet in a thin layer of life known as the biosphere. Plants and animals are all part of this loop life, as well as non-living materials that make up the cycle. The biosphere is the portion of Earth where life exists. It is unlimited. It extends from the deepest roots of trees to the dark trenches of oceans to lush rainforests and mountains. It has been estimated that the biosphere has existed for 3.5 billion years. The oldest life forms on Earth, prokaryotes, survived without oxygen. The ancient world was populated by organisms with only one cell, like bacteria and archaea. Life cannot be supported by water alone. A solar energy source is also required. Plants turn carbon dioxide and water into nutrients through photosynthesis, which is powered by sunlight. Organic compounds are the second most important component of life after water. Carbon is stored in many places on Earth, including rocks, soil, water, and atmosphere, as well as plant and animal tissues. Since it is readily converted from one form to another, it is constantly recycled throughout the biosphere. It is estimated that 96.5% of the world's water is contained in the salty oceans. Fresh, non-salty water makes up 3.5% of the water on Earth, and 1.7% are stored in polar ice. The remaining 2.5% is in rivers and lakes. The atmosphere drifts with a tiny amount. Every biological function is dependent on water, which makes up about 60% of the weight of our bodies. Solar energy causes a constant flow of water. As it evaporates from the ocean, it travels through the atmosphere to land, where it falls as rain or snow. In rivers and lakes, some of this water runs off the surface, returning to the ocean or the atmosphere. During rainfall, large amounts of water soak through soil gaps, where they are stored underground. Trees have adapted to survive in many climates, including the hot, humid tropics and the cold north. About a quarter of the planet's land is covered with forests. Almost half of all species in the world live in forests, making them one of the most abundant biomes on Earth. Approximately half of the world's organic matter is produced and stored in them, as well as about half the world's carbon stock. By protecting soil from rainfall, forests prevent soil erosion.
Among the driest places on Earth are deserts. All of them are very dry, regardless of how hot or cold they are. Despite this, life adapts to difficult circumstances. Plants may remain inactive for years until sudden brief showers allow them to flower and thirst or grow long roots to reach water deep underground. Animals living in desert areas are most active at night because they want to avoid the hot sun. Forest cover is to thin in grasslands, while grasses and shrubs have enough moisture. Plants are designed to withstand droughts, fires, and poor soil quality. There are two types of grasslands: dry grasslands and scrublands. Many grazing animals and meat-eaters live in the savannas of sub-Saharan Africa, where grassy plains are scattered with trees. Plants that grow in Mediterranean shrubland prefer climates with cool, wet winters and hot, dry summers.
Earth's polar regions are the coldest. During stormy conditions, the Southern Ocean isolates Antarctica from the rest of the landmasses. There is almost no life in this ice and snow-covered desert. In the Arctic region, the climate is milder, especially during the summer when the tundra is teeming with life. The ocean waters at both poles are high in oxygen, which supports a wide range of animals. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will help us make more knowledge-based videos for you. Please support our channel so we can continue providing you with more learning videos.
Edited by Podcast and Beyond Productions and produced by MTCB Media.